Under BLC Nutrition, this recipe is open-faced peppers and onion chicken wrap. This recipe is great because it falls under our green category, and it includes the following, which are all green: protein, fats, carbs, and vegetables. And since it is green, it can be eaten often. This ingredient list is short and simple. All you need is chicken strips, whether you cut it up from chicken breast or buy them as strips, pepper strips, onions, wraps, avocado or olive oil, and last but not least, assorted spices. Now we can begin prepping. It only takes 10 minutes. All you have to do is cut up the chicken, cut up the peppers and onions, and then just mix your spices. And we use the spices to the left. If you feel like using other spices, then go ahead and do so. But we use about a teaspoon each of the following spices with a little bit extra cayenne pepper. Great, now your prep work's done. It's time to start cooking. The first thing you're going to do is turn one of your burners to medium-high heat, put some avocado or olive oil in the skillet, and let it just heat up for a couple minutes. Once that's done, you're going to put the spices on top of the chicken and mix them around so each chicken breast gets a pretty good serving size of the spices. And then once that's complete, you're going to take that chicken and put it in the skillet. And you're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes and toss and turn a couple times to where it's brown on the outside and cooked a little bit through. Once that chicken is at that stage, you're going to take the onions and the peppers and throw them in as well. And then you're going to let that all cook for about another 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now you're all done, and it hardly took any time. So all you have to do is take the chicken, peppers, and onion and lay them out over a wrap, and it will taste really great. If you want to add a little extra to it, we recommend avocado slices, salsa, and maybe some sour cream. That's it for this recipe under BLC Nutrition. Again, you can visit our website for